everyone, today I have another clean with me video. I'm sorry that I've been so behind on these. There's been a whole lot going on. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vanessa and usually I do cleaning videos for you guys. I have recently moved out of state and we have just been trying to get everything situated and together. So right now what I am doing is showing you guys bits and pieces of my new house. And then soon I will be showing you guys the entire full house tour. So if you guys would like to see the way I'm cleaning, today we're going to be doing my master bedroom, master bathroom, and my laundry room. So if you would like to see how I clean all of those, then go ahead and keep on watching. So just a fair warning, you will be seeing me in kind of like multiple different outfits. And what happened was the day that we moved in, I was cleaning a couple of things like the toilets and stuff just because of the people that lived here before. And so I ended up filming it. Not that I thought, oh, I could just clean it again and film it. For some reason, that was the day that I just did it. So you're going to be seeing me in a couple of different outfits because I clean different parts certain days. And then like you're gonna see me in like a sweater, and that was at night. So like this clip that you're watching right here, that was the first day that we got here. Then you're gonna be seeing me in like a gray sweatshirt. That was like the next day. And then if you see me in like a black sweatshirt, it was that night. So I'm just letting you know it's gonna be all over the place. My apologies. At this point, I was so tired that I didn't even care about what was going on. I just knew that I needed to film because I have been lagging on filming since we've been planning moving. So I'm just letting you know, it's all over the place. So let me tell you a little bit about what has been going on and why me uploading has been very not happening lately. There has been a whole lot going on. If you guys have not seen the video on why we moved out of California, I will link it below. But basically, like, we had family that lived here and they messed the place up, and there's been a whole bunch of stuff going on. Well, now there's even more stuff going on, even though that they've been out. And we've been having, you know, text messages going back and forth, trying to give like major guilt trips. And I've even been seeing them drive by the house to see if anyone is home and to see what we're doing. And there's just been so much going on. My dog got out of our yard the other day, so I've been having to fix the fence, and we've been having to make a run back and forth to Home Depot to try to see what we can do to keep at least one of the dogs in for right now. There's just been so much going on, and I really have not been wanting to make these videos where I'm just complaining the whole time, because I know that is such a downer, especially with everything going on in the world right now. But this is just the reality of it. And I don't want to lie to you guys. I don't want to tell you some fake story. I mean, this is the truth. I haven't been filming or editing lately because there's just been so much going on. And it has been such a crunch time because my husband finally started work here. So we had to get everything set up and prepped before he went to work, because other than that, we would have to wait until the weekend. So there's just been a whole lot of stuff going on. We've been going back and forth to California to grab some of our stuff. We've been looking for a storage unit. So right now, my head is just scrambled. And like I said, and I will say it a million times, I am so sorry that there has been a lot waiting going on. If you saw me move hair in that clip, that's my extensions. I didn't know where else to put anything. But yeah, there's been a lot going on, and I apologize. There's just been a whole lot of stress on top of everything else. You know, we're back to one income again with everything going on, and we're waiting for certain things to open up here, so hopefully I can put in my resume. So right now, there's just been a lot. So once again, I apologize so much about not getting on top of this and being on my normal schedule. My brain is just scattered. And if you see me go over the wood floors a couple of times, it's because I have been disinfecting them. Then I will go over with a wood cleaner, and then I will go over with another wood cleaner, because I don't know what type of wood floors this is, but if any water gets on it, I don't know if every single hardwood floor does this, but they get like these like weird milky scuffs on them. So I'm using a bunch of different things to try to clean the floors because I keep seeing a bunch of spots on them. And now we are coming to the end of my video. Once again, I apologize so much. Thank you so much for sticking here with me through all this stuff that's going on. We have one more video where I'm going to be showing you the living room and the dining room, and then I will give you the grand tour of my new home. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Don't forget to click the notification bell for anytime I upload a new video, and I will be seeing you guys very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.